Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dr. Death premieres on Peacock on Thursday, July 15th. The series is a true-life crime drama program based on the podcast of the same name. The storyline is based on Dr. Christopher Dunch, Joshua Jackson, a rising star in the Dallas medical community.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Peacock has officially booked an appointment with Dr. Death. The limited series starring Joshua Jackson will premiere with all 8 episodes on Thursday, July 15th. Jackson, The Affair, plays Dr. Christopher Dunch in a story inspired by the real-life neurosurgeon.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Jamie Dornan, The Fall, had originally been cast as Dr. Christopher Dunch in the series based on the hit Wondery podcast of the same name. But, due to production delays caused by the pandemic, Dornan can no longer make the filming requirements work for his schedule, EU has learned.
Let's help you make your mark.
Adapted by Patrick McManus and a team of scribes from the Wondery podcast, Dr. Death focuses on Christopher Dunch, Joshua Jackson, a Dallas-based neurosurgeon who was accused of killing multiple patients and leaving dozens more injured in a not brief enough reign of either terror, ineptitude or some combination of.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.